I'm sensing growth. 6 feet out again.
Wow.
And then we transition into some other kind of pipe here. Yeah. Well, that's not too bad. I mean, it's 6 feet out. Oh. Who ordered that? I didn't order the muck. Can you turn, does that sink tie in? You
Yes,
turn the
it
sink on and maybe wash it off here. See? Perfect.
Look at that.
May have done this once. So, looks like we're wiring into something else there. Is it a Y or is it just a bend? It could be a bend. A little bit of muck on the front that just doesn't want to. Come on! Come off the front. Yeah. There's a Y. Yeah. You got a lot of buildup on the top. Need to jet the pipe. So looks like you're losing a lot of your. It's just crap built up, right? So grease by the looks of it, probably. That could snag something big maybe as it gets bigger. So this needs to be jetted and washed away. Going into the abyss. Okay, really needs to be cleaned. So,
It's like almost a dead end.
yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was like, where does this go? This doesn't look good. We're gonna be under the sea. So, I think you need to get this section of the pipe kind of jetted and cleaned up. So, we put the liner and we can run the jetter down there and wash that down some and whatnot. That's a lot of buildup though, so.
So that's at 42 feet.
Yeah. So. Wow. It's like a cave. Hey, we're going cave diving now, Mom. Yeah, I think that's gonna be. Oh, it looks better again. So, some serious growth there at 42 feet, so we've lost our vision.